Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G30, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the phone. So starting off, we will need a SIM ejector. I have one right over here. Now you can find this one in your box where the device came in, but you could also use a paper clip in one of the ends, and well, it should work just as well. So let's take the phone, pop off the cover if you have one on, and find the tray, which for me is located on the upper left side of the phone. There we go. So to get it, so you can see once you push it in, the tray will pop out. And from here you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD. If you're planning to use two SIM cards, you place the SIM on the SD tray like so. But if you're going with one of each, move it over and then drop the SD beside here. There we go. And from there, simply insert it back into the device. And we should see a, there we go, pin for the SIM card. So obviously the SIM card is working and SD card should be working as well. So yeah. Now that is basically how you would insert SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.